Have you ever dreamed of starting an online store without the hassle of inventory or shipping? Well, today's the day your dream becomes a reality. Welcome to the world of dropshipping. And today, we're diving deep into AliDropship, a powerful plugin that can turn your online store dreams into a profitable reality. So what is AliDropship exactly? It's a WordPress plugin that connects your online store to AliExpress, one of the world's largest online marketplaces. This means you can sell products without ever touching them. How cool is that? Step-by-step guide. Let's get started on the installation process. Choose your WordPress theme. The first step is to select a WordPress theme that's compatible with AliDropship. There are plenty of options available, so take your time and choose one that aligns with your vision for your online store. Install WordPress. If you haven't already, you'll need to install WordPress on your web hosting account. This is a fairly straightforward process that can be completed in a few minutes. Install AliDropship plugin. Once WordPress is installed, you can install the AliDropship plugin. Simply go to your WordPress dashboard, navigate to Plugins and click Add New. Search for AliDropship and install the plugin. Activate the plugin. After installing the plugin, activate it to make it available for use on your website. Configure AliDropship settings. Now, it's time to configure the AliDropship plugin settings. Go to your WordPress dashboard, click on AliDropship, and then select Settings. Here, you'll need to enter your AliExpress account credentials and configure other settings, such as your store currency and shipping options. Import products. Once your settings are configured, you can start importing products from AliExpress to your online store. AliDropship makes this process incredibly easy. Simply search for products on AliExpress, select the ones you want to sell, and import them directly into your store. Customize product listings. After importing products, you can customize their listings to make them more appealing to your customers. This includes adding high-quality images, writing compelling descriptions, and setting competitive prices. Set up payment and shipping options. To accept payments from your customers, you'll need to set up payment gateways. AliDropship integrates with popular payment processors like PayPal and Stripe. You'll also need to configure your shipping options and set shipping rates. Launch your store. Once you've completed all the necessary steps, you're ready to launch your online store. Simply click the Launch Store button in the AliDropship settings. Tips and tricks. Choose the right products. Not all products on AliExpress are suitable for dropshipping. Look for products with high demand, low competition, and reasonable shipping times. Optimize your product listings. Use high-quality images, write compelling descriptions, and optimize your product titles for search engines. Build trust with your customers. Offer excellent customer service, provide clear shipping information, and respond promptly to inquiries. Market your store. Promote your online store through social media, email marketing, and other marketing channels. There you have it. That's how to install and set up AliDropship. With this powerful plugin, you can easily create a profitable online store without the hassle of inventory or shipping. So what are you waiting for? Start building your online empire today. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more dropshipping tips and tutorials. And don't forget to leave a comment below if you have any questions. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.